Hey guys, Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Pshhh. Hey, we made it out to the Ida auction house for that little Sneaka Peeka. Let's walk around, see what we got going on. So it's a nice day today. It's been about 50 degrees outside. Today the sun is out. What do we got? What are we looking at? There's a Craftsman Platinum 7.0 190 cc's. So I can already see the spark plug wire is off of it. And the whole spark plug is... What is going on with this? I don't think that's regulation there, guys. Don't think that's regulation. Is there even a number on it? CYFS 12F-5. That is not the spark plug that goes in there. Interesting. Very interesting. So anyways, what else we got going on here? Let's just give this one a little extra gander. Oil's overfilled there by about a ½ inch. 3/4 of an inch overfilled. Fuelage looks dry. Has a bag on it, but the bag isn't any good. What was this? A window? So it must have had a window in there so you can actually see the grass, but that's what happens to it. So that's no good. I don't know what's going on right here, but that's a little messed up. And the handle's not even fastened. So there's that. And that is not even moving down there, so don't know what's going on with that. It's probably broken. And they've lost this piece, so they've taken this little cover piece off and it's gone. But it looks like it was self-propelled. Alright, what else do we got? 40 volt 18-inch cordless snowblower. This is what's already happening to your cordless stuff. So they've already hit in the market here. Probably batteries all worn out. No battery with it, no charger with it. Got a nice little air compressor that would come in handy. Handy dandy. Seems like it should have a handle on it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you could carry that around, missing the hose for it. Spartans. Any of you guys Spartan fans out there? Black & Decker edger. A weed whip. Now look at this. This is interesting. So we have orange on this side and green on that side. I think that's how you do it. Maybe that's the trick. Maybe that's what we're missing all this time. That's how you do it right there. Put one on one side, one on the other side. Spin sweep. Outdoor sweeper. A chainsaw. Here we go, Tim. There's a chainsaw for you. Craftsman 18-inch 40 cc's. Chainsaw Tim. Got some tools. What else do we got out here? Ooh, a Craftsman Snowblower. There we go. See if we can pull this one over. It's on, so that's good. Push to prime for a good time. Has electric start on it. Sounds like it'll start. Let's put the choke on. That one just might start. I smell gas, so it's trying. .21-inch mulching blade. There we go. Got some tools. Lots and lots of bicycles. 10 speeds. Remember these old 10 speeds? We got a Honda Harmony HS 520. It's a 4-stroke. Let's see if that'll pull over. And it has electric start. Pull out the choke, turn that on. Nothing there. There is fuel in it. And it smells like it's been in there for a minute. There's the fun stuff right there, riding around on your tractor. Ooh, what do we got over here? We got a lift. But what is this? SnapOn, I seen. When you see the name SnapOn, you're always like, what's going on with that? Has a model number. EEJP 500 ICA. Can't make out the rest of them. What is this right here? Bulletproof Glass. Awesome. Look at this. That's a whole turntable there where you buy your stuff, put it through the window. That's what that is. Wonder if it's heavy. It seems like it's heavy. Nice. I'd like to buy that just to shoot it and see if how much of a bulletproof it is. Got some live traps. Look at these old ramps. That's when they made them good right there. Those aren't gonna break. Now they're made out of plastic. Wonder what that is, a deer blind? Probably. We got a bunch of whatnot tools up there. And a heater, another heater, because I seen one back there. Some kerosene cans. Good time of the year to do that. Alright, so that'll wrap up our Sneaka Peek walk around at the Ida Auction House. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Pshhh. We'll see you at the auction.